Hello students, in last class we discussed the classification, nomenclature and general preparation method of alcohols. In this class, first of all, we discuss the mechanism for acidic hydration of alkene. This is one of the method for the preparation of alcohol. When alkene involve in addition reaction, electrophilic addition reaction with water in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, then alcohol is formed. Today we discuss the mechanism of this reaction. This reaction involves the three steps. The presence of acid in reaction is used to form carbocation. When an alkene react with H plus ion, it convert into carbocation due to the addition of an electrophile, that is here H plus ion. This is your first step. In second step, this carbocation is react with again water, and by the addition of water molecule to the carbocation, a protonated alcohol is formed. In last step, in third step, this protonated alcohol release one H plus ion and convert into alcohol. So this is very important mechanism, and all the three steps should be clarified when this type of questions are in exams. So next we discuss the preparation of phenol. Phenols generally prepared from haloarenes. You know very well, we discussed in last class, haloarenes, for example chlorobenzene, is least reactive towards substitution reaction. So this substitution reaction occur in a special condition of temperature and pressure. But at high temperature and high pressure, aqueous NaOH is treated with chlorobenzene. Initially sodium salt is formed, and further treated with acid, it converts into phenol. The second preparation is from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid is prepared from benzene by the reaction with oleum. Oleum is H2S2O7. When this benzene sulfonic acid is react with NaOH, sodium salt is formed, and in next step, by acidic treatment, it convert into phenol. The next reaction is from benzene diazonium salt. You know very well, benzene diazonium salt is a very good reactant because it is very unstable. So in reaction medium, to prepare this benzene diazonium chloride, as you know, we use aniline, and aniline first convert into benzene diazonium chloride, and when this salt is warm with water, it convert into phenol. The next preparation is from cumene. Isopropyl benzene is known as cumene. By air oxidation, first it convert into a hydroperoxide, and when this peroxide is further hydrolyzed in presence of an acid, it convert into phenol. So these are some common preparation for phenol. Now we discuss physical and chemical properties of phenol. As you know, the starting members of alcohol like methanol, ethanol, around up to 10 carbon atom. These all are liquid in nature, having a characteristic smell. Phenol is crystalline solid. In case of alcohol, due to the presence of oxygen and hydrogen both, the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present, and due to this hydrogen bonding, their boiling points are comparatively very high if we compare with alkanes or alkyl halide or even with aldehyde, ethers, ketones. As compared to other compounds, the boiling point of alcohols are high because the strong hydrogen bonding is present in these examples. When the molecular mass of compound is increases, means if we discuss a homologous series, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, etc. So with increase in size, van der Waals force is also increases, and the boiling point also increases. Similarly, if we increase the isomers of alcohol, compounds having same molecular formula but due to the different structure, their boiling points are also varies. More surface area, more is the boiling point. So in case of primary, secondary and tertiary, the boiling point of primary compound is maximum. The next property is solubility. Alcohols are easily soluble in water. No doubt lower members are easily soluble. when the molecular mass increases, a non-polar chain is increases, and solubility should be decreases. Again, the solubility is because of formation of hydrogen bond with water. Next, we discuss the chemical properties of alcohols. Alcohols react as both electrophile as well as nucleophile, because the cleavage from this side as well as this side both is possible. So when the cleavage is from this side, RO minus means alcohol behave as nucleophile, and the when cleavage is from this side, then R plus, so this behave as electrophile also. So first of all, we discuss reaction due to the cleavage of OH bond, hydrogen, by the release of hydrogen. Okay. If we compare the reactivity of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol, then reactivity is continuously decreases. This is because of plus I effect. More are the number of alkyl group, more is the plus I effect, and more is the stability of OH bond. Means the cleavage of OH bond is more easy in primary alcohol, because in this case the plus I effect is minimum. So due to the cleavage of OH bond, first of all we discuss the acidic nature. But alcohols are very weak acid, means H plus cannot be easily released, and even it is less acidic than water. Alcohols are less acidic even than water, but they react with active metal like sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminum. In presence of any one metal, the hydrogen is replaced and respective sodium salt is formed. But if we compare alcohols and phenol, then the phenols are more acidic as compared to alcohols. As we know, alcohols do not perform litmus test, means when you test for acidic nature, it cannot convert blue litmus into red, but phenol perform litmus test. They easily convert, or they give positive test for alcohol. This is because of resonance. Phenol involve in resonance, and when you see the resonating structure of phenol, oxygen having positive charge. In hybrid of resonance, in hybrid of resonating structure of phenol, oxygen having positive charge. So due to the presence of this positive charge on more electronegative atom oxygen, hydrogen easily released. So by the release of H plus ion, by release of this H plus ion, phenol convert into phenate ion, and the structure, or you can say resonating structure of phenate ion are more stable. If you compare the resonating structure of both phenol and phenate ion, then you compare oxygen having positive charge in case of phenol, but in case of phenate, the hybrid of resonance cannot contain any type of charge. So this particular, or these resonating structures are comparatively more stable. So phenol in an aqueous medium easily release H plus ion and convert into phenate ion. If in case of any example, phenol contain any electron withdrawing group means electron attracting group like cyanide, nitro group, or any halide group, then they give minus I effect as well as minus R effect to the OH group. Means OH bond the polarity of OH bond is increases due to the presence of any electron withdrawing group. More are the number of electron withdrawing group present, more is the stretching between O and H, and easily H plus is released. Means electron withdrawing group responsible for the increase in acidic character of phenol. Whereas if in any case electron donating groups are present like alkyl group, then they relax the OH group, or you can say the polarity of OH bond decreases and the release of H plus become difficult. Means if we compare the acidic character, of any type of alcohol, then due to the presence of electron withdrawing group, acidic character increases, and due to the presence of any electron donating group, electron donating character decreases. Next we discuss the some more example where the cleavage of OH bond is involved. When alcohol react with Grignard reagent, due to the cleavage of OH bond, alkane is formed. Similarly, when an alcohol is react with carboxylic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, ester is formed. Here also the cleavage of OH bond is responsible for this reaction. In this esterification reaction, ester is formed. You know very well, ester having fruity smell, and this particular is used for the test of alcohol or of acid. Alcohol can also react with acid derivative like acid halide or acid anhydride. In all these reactions, ester is formed. This is all about today. In next class, we discuss the rest property of the alcohols as well as phenol.